Did you know that a $5 can of WD-40 could save you from a $2,000 transmission repair? Or even stop your engine from seizing? Most people think WD-40 is just for squeaky doors or rusty hinges, but car mechanics know better. In fact, there are over 2,000 documented uses for WD-40, and some of the smartest hacks could be the difference between a smooth-running car and a mechanical nightmare. And here's the scary truth. The majority of drivers completely ignore these tricks, leaving themselves wide open for costly failures. But in this video, I'm going to reveal 10 powerful WD-40 hacks that professional mechanics swear by. Stick with me until the end, because hack number 10 is something every driver overlooks. And if you don't know it, you could literally cut your car's lifespan in half. Hack number 1. Stop rust before it destroys your undercarriage. What drivers usually do wrong? Most car owners wash their car's exterior but forget the undercarriage, where salt, moisture, and grime quietly eat away at metal. Why it's dangerous? Rust doesn't just look ugly. It destroys brake lines, suspension arms, and even your frame. Once corrosion sets in, repairs can skyrocket. In fact, the average cost of a full brake line replacement in the US is $1,200 to $1,600. Expert insight. Spraying WD-40 on exposed bolts, suspension joints, and even along brake lines forms a protective barrier that repels water and salt. Mechanics in northern states, where road salt is common, swear by this trick to add years of life to a car. Crawl under your car. If you see rust starting on the fuel or brake lines, spray WD-40 immediately. You could literally be saving yourself thousands. Skip this and you're gambling with your brakes. Would you risk your family's safety over a $5 can? Hack number 2. Revive and protect battery terminals. What drivers usually do wrong. Drivers often see white crusty buildup on battery terminals and think, I'll deal with it later. Why it's dangerous. That buildup is corrosion. Left untreated, it increases resistance, overheats cables, and can cause no start conditions. Worse, in severe cases, it damages your alternator or starter motor. Repairs that easily exceed $500 to $1,000. Expert insight. Clean the terminals with a wire brush, then spray a thin layer of WD-40. It drives away moisture and slows down further corrosion. Even AOA has noted in roadside reports that poor battery connections are one of the top causes of car breakdowns in America. Hack number 3. Silence squeaky belts and pulleys. What drivers usually do wrong? They ignore squeaks from under the hood, thinking, it's just noise. Why it's dangerous? That noise means friction. Friction leads to heat. Heat leads to premature belt and pulley wear. If a serpentine belt snaps, your alternator, water pump, and power steering fail instantly. That can overheat your engine within minutes. A $4,000 head gasket repair waiting to happen. Expert insights. Spraying a light mist of WD-40 on belt pulleys not directly on the belt can stop squeaks and keep pulleys moving freely. Mechanics use it as a diagnostic trick. If the noise stops after spraying, they know which pulley or bearing needs replacement. Would you rather spend 30 seconds with WD-40 or $4,000 on engine repairs? Exactly. Hack number 4. Free up stuck spark plugs and bolts. What drivers usually do wrong? They crank harder on seized bolts or plugs, thinking more force will loosen it. Why it's dangerous. A stuck spark plug or rusted exhaust bolt can snap, leaving you with a nightmare repair. Extracting broken bolts often means pulling the cylinder head, costing $800 to $1,500. Expert insight at spray WD-40 on stuck bolts or spark plugs. Wait a few minutes and let its penetrating formula work. It seeps into threads and breaks down rust. Veteran mechanics know this hack saves hours of labor and prevents broken bolts. Hack number 5. Protect rubber seals and weather stripping. What drivers usually do wrong? They let seals dry out, crack, or stick, especially in hot summers or freezing winters. Why it's dangerous. Dried seals mean leaks. Leaky door seals lead to water intrusion, mold, and damaged electronics. A failed trunk seal can drench your spare tire well. Worse, a damaged hood seal allows water into engine electronics, risking thousands in repairs. Expert insight, spraying WD-40 on a cloth and wiping down seals keeps rubber flexible, preventing cracking. Mechanics also use this trick on weather stripping to stop doors from freezing shut in winter. And here's something surprising. You'll want to see hack number 6 because it's one of the weirdest uses for WD-40 that car owners swear by, and it could actually keep your engine breathing cleaner for longer. Hack number 6. Keep your air intake and throttle body clean. What drivers usually do wrong? Most drivers never think about the air intake system. They'll replace the air filter but completely ignore the throttle body. Why it's dangerous. Over time, carbon and sticky deposits build up around the throttle plate. This leads to rough idle, poor acceleration, and even limp mode on modern cars. Shops often charge $150 to $300 for a throttle body cleaning service. Expert insight. Spraying a small amount of WD-40 on a rag and wiping the throttle plate with the engine off can remove grime and restore airflow. While WD-40 isn't a replacement for specialized throttle cleaners, veteran mechanics confirm it's effective for mild buildup. Hack number 7. Protect spark plug wires and ignition components. What drivers usually do wrong? They let moisture creep into ignition wires, especially during heavy rain or car washes. Why it's dangerous. Moisture inside spark plug boots causes misfires. Misfires send raw fuel into the exhaust, which overheats and destroys catalytic converters. A replacement cat in the US averages $1,200 to $2,000. Expert insight. Lightly spraying WD-40 around ignition wires, distributor caps, and coil packs drives out moisture. Old school mechanics in wet climates have relied on this trick for decades. Would you rather pay $5 for WD-40 or $2,000 for a new catalytic converter? Easy choice. Hack number 8. Stop brake squeal in an emergency. What drivers usually do wrong? They hear squeaky brakes and assume pads are fine as long as the car stops. Why it's dangerous. Brake squeal can indicate worn pads, rust buildup, or uneven contact. Ignoring it may lead to rotor damage, costing $400 to $600 per axle. Expert insight. While WD-40 is not a permanent fix, mechanics sometimes use it on the back of brake pads, not the friction surface, to quiet squeals temporarily. The real solution is pad replacement, but WD-40 can help you diagnose if noise comes from vibration rather than worn pads. And speaking of surprising uses, hack number 9 is something so unusual most people won't believe it until they try it. It actually helps repel rodents from chewing your car's wiring. Hack number 9. Protect wiring from rodents. What drivers usually do wrong? They park their cars for weeks without thinking about rodents nesting under the hood. Why it's dangerous. Mice and rats love chewing on soy-based wiring insulation. One chewed harness can cost $1,500 to $3,000 to replace. Insurance companies even have bulletins on this rising issue. Expert insight. Spraying WD-40 lightly on wiring looms makes them less attractive to rodents. Mechanics in rural areas and even fleet operators use this trick to prevent massive repair bills. Hack number 10. Free frozen locks and doors. What drivers usually do wrong? They yank harder on frozen door handles or pour hot water on locks in winter. Why it's dangerous. Forcing frozen locks can break internal components, costing $200 to $500 to repair. Pouring hot water creates condensation that freezes again, making things worse. Expert insight. A quick spray of WD-40 into door locks or onto weather stripping prevents moisture from freezing in the first place. Mechanics in northern states recommend doing this before the first freeze of the season. But here's the kicker. While these 10 hacks are powerful, there's one hidden bonus trick that mechanics rarely share. It's about protecting gaskets and O-rings, and ignoring it can destroy your engine from the inside out. Bonus hack. Don't ignore cheap gaskets and O-rings. Why it matters. These tiny rubber pieces are everywhere, in your oil filter housing, fuel system, and coolant lines. Most cost under $5, yet they're often overlooked. The hidden danger. A cracked O-ring in the oil filter housing can cause sudden oil pressure loss. A dried valve cover gasket can leak onto the serpentine belt, making it slip and overheat. In both cases, your engine is starved of oil or overheats in minutes. That means catastrophic engine failure. Expert insight. Veteran mechanics stress this point. Whenever you replace a filter, pump, or sensor, always replace the included gasket or O-ring. Skipping them is like gambling with your engine's life. Would you risk a $5 shortcut for a $5,000 repair bill? So there you have it. Rust protection with WD-40 saves brake lines. Battery terminal protection keeps you from no starts. Squeaky pulleys, stuck spark plugs, dried seals, all preventable. Even rodents and frozen locks can be defeated with this simple can. And don't forget the hidden killer, those cheap gaskets and O-rings. All of this from a $5 can sitting on your garage shelf. Think about that, $5 versus thousands in potential repairs.